How to log in to VK account. So if you want to log in to your VK account, then first of all you need to install the application. So to install, you can go to your Play Store or your App Store and search for VK, and here you will have the application. So simply tap on install and it will be downloaded or installed. And after installing, you can simply tap on open. And now to log into your account, you need to enter your phone number or your email address. So simply enter either one of that and then tap on sign in. And here you need to enter your password. So if you forgot your password, then you can simply go for forgot your password. And after tapping on that, it will ask you for your email address which you have used to create your account. You can enter that email address and you will get a code or a link to your email address to reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it and then tap on continue and you will be logged into your account. And that's it. That's how you log into your VK account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.